Alright, so what I want to look at here is how to lay out the spoon block. This is always an issue, so the goal here would be to make videos so you can watch and walk through this step by step. First of all, once you actually cut your block, or before you do, what we have on the block is we have our 4 faces. Because of thickness, I'm just calling them all faces, and then we have our ends here. One end, second end. The reason I'm showing you that is because when we lay out our lines, we want to lay them out on an end. The end is one of the sides that you would cut on the miter saw with. That's the easiest way to know. It's going to be much rougher versus the nice smooth faces. And if you're not sure, please ask. Please don't just assume, and then you're going to have to maybe redo it once or twice depending, but just ask and get it right the first time. So I've got my end here. I've got my tri-square, and I have my drawing, which we're going to be laying out the spoon block, the slot right here in the spoon block. So on here, what I need to do, like I said, I have my end, my tri-square. From on one edge, I'm going to go on the right hand edge because on the drawing here it shows me on the right hand edge. I'm going to measure down 1/4 inch, and I'm going to put my mark out on the actual edge of the part here, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. My little point right on the end edge of the part here at 1/4 inch. Second one, I'm going to come over somewhere towards the center of the block, and I'm going to mark, per the directions here, 1/2 inch down. Right now, exactly where I have that isn't all that important, but I marked my 1/2 inch down here. This part will be very important. On the same edge that I have my 1/4 inch mark on, I need to line up with my 1/2 inch mark. So I'm in line here with my 1/2 inch mark, and I need to come back 7/8 inch. It's pretty close here. There's 7/8. Okay. Again, 7/8 would be 14/16, or 2 lines before the whole inch here. Okay. Where my 1/2 inch and my 7/8 meet, it's going to give me a little plus, just like all the other points that we've done. So my plus there, where 1/2 inch down and 7/8 from the right hand side here meet, that's what I need. And now all I need to do is connect those 2 points together. This is one of those rare times where you're going to use the tri-square just for a flat edge and not have it tight up against the edge. So here's what you should end up with. Once we have that, that's it. See your teacher, and your teacher will cut the slot for you, but that's what you need to have for your teacher to cut that slot for you.